Ahal, in this video, we are going to learn about main method. In previous video, we have uh, learned about what is Javac command, what is Java command, what will happen when we use Javac command, what will happen when we use Java command. All those things we learned. But in this video, we are going to focus on this public static void main string array args method. So I am going to do some post-mortem on this main method. So after this video, if you go to any interview, if they ask any question on this main method, I am sure 100% you will be able to answer those questions. So please listen this video carefully. Here, if you see, my first I have written some dummy program or first demo program, whatever I am explaining so far. First demo program, in this one I have written public. So I just want to remove this public and let's see what will happen. If I remove public, what will happen? I am just going to remove this public. Okay, I am clicking on Control S, that means it has saved. After saving this one, I am just going to this location wherever I have created this Java program, and here I just want to open CMD, search for CMD here, and then here let's try to compile this one, Javac first demo, Javac first demo.java. Let's try to compile this one. It is compiled. After compilation, if you see, we got the dot class file. Okay, you can see that we got dot class file. Now let's try to run this program with Java command. First demo.class. Okay, let me remove this dot class. Now let's run first demo.java. See, it is saying like clearly saying like error. It is saying there is error. Where the error is, main method not found in the class first demo. It is whenever we executed, right, Java first demo, this Java internally starts the JVM. That JVM always looks for the main method inside first demo dot class file. If you go inside, it is saying like main method not found in the class first demo. Please define main method as, it is asking us to define the main method as in this way, public static void main string array args. Okay, this is the error it is showing. Okay, this is one thing we understood. Let me go here and then delete dot class file again. Let me come back to here. This time I am just going to keep public as it is. I just want to remove static here. Just remove static and then controls save, use control S for saving the program, and then go back to here and try to compile again Javac first demo.java. Click on enter. It is compiled successfully. After compilation, we got the dot class file, and then let's run this program. Java first demo. Remove the dot class. Click on enter. It is saying like main method is not static in the class first demo, please define. It is looking for, it is saying like whatever the main method you have declared, that main method is not a static inside, where inside first demo class. Please define main method as, it is giving into us like please define main method as below public static main string args. Okay, this is second case. Let me go and delete the dot class file one more time. Delete the dot class and then come here and then make it as a, make it this method as static. Okay, stat static. Now click on control S for saving the program. Let's go here and this recompile the program with javac command. Javac first demo dot java. Let's execute this one. It is compiled successfully. We got the dot class file, and then come back here and try to execute this with try to run the first demo class file with Java command. See, it is showing like Java first demo. Welcome to Java first demo program. What is there inside this code? Yeah, we did not remove anything, right? We added static, that's why it is executed successfully. Now I just want to uh, remove the dot class file once and then come back here. I have added public static and then I just want to remove the void here. If I remove void, what will happen? I just want to remove void. Okay, click on Ctrl S and then come back here and rerun it. Javac first demo.java. It is saying like at compilation itself, you can see invalid method declaration, return type required. See, whatever return type is read, right? It is required. So here I just want to make return type here. Instead of void, let me make it int here. Okay. There are so many return types are there in the Java. I will cover those in the future tutorials, future videos. Currently, let us assume instead of void, I am using int. That means this method is written in int, right? So let me make one statement as here, ret or return 0. Let me make this statement as well. You can get to know everything in the future. What is written, what is what is public, what is static, what is int, what is main. Everything I will cover now, but these data types, I mean these return types, I will cover in the future videos. Okay, let me rerun this program. Javac first demo.java. It is run right successfully. Let me run the program with Java command. Remove the dot class. You can see error. It is clearly saying error. Main method must return a value of type void. That means what in the class first demo, whatever the main method we have written in the first demo class, that should return type, that should be having void as return type. It should not have any other return type values. Please define the main method as, you can see, please define main method as public static main string array args. So go here and remove this int here, then write void. Okay, and then you need to remove this one and then come back. The next one is instead of main method, whatever the main is, right? I just want to rename it as main test like this. Okay, or else you can remove this one as well. Click on Ctrl S for saving this program and then come back here. Execute Javac first demo.java. It is successfully compiled. Let's run this program. You can see it is saying like error. Main method not found in class first demo. Please define main method as public static void main of string array. It is always looking for this main as well. Main in the main method name as main instead of main underscore test. So remove this one as well. Click on Ctrl S. Now instead of string array, I just want to pass it as a normal string. I don't want to pass arrays here. Click on S here. Click on Ctrl S and then come back here. Execute this one, Javac first demo.java. It is executed, compiled successfully. Let's run it. You can see main method not found in the class. It is not able, the Java command not able to find the main method inside first demo class. Please define main method as public static void main string array, it is showing. Okay, but in the program we have given only string here. These are the data types. We're having so many data types are there in the Java, like string is there, integer is there, float is there, double is there. I will cover in the future videos. For now, assume this is string is a data type. So here instead of string array we have to pass instead of string we have to pass string array only. And then I just want to make one more trial on this one, this signature. Instead of args, let me pass something like uh, arg only. Instead of args, I just removed s here. Let's click on Ctrl S and then go here. Try to execute this one. Ctrl S, Java first demo. You can see, right? Welcome to Java first demo program. That means here asks whatever the variable name you are passing, right? This is not a mandatory one. You can pass anything. Instead of args, you can pass arg, you can pass dummy, you can pass any variable. So but it's recommended to pass args only here. Use Control S and then come back here, re-execute this program, javac first demo.java, and then execute java first demo. It is executed. Welcome to Java first demo program. So here the conclusion is, let me write, sorry, let me write the conclusion is here in the same program we'll cover. So Java, when we use Java, a first demo, okay, here it will start JVM internally, okay. JVM always looks for the main method with below syntax only: public static void main of string array only, string array symbol, and then these args are there. These args are, it can be anything, but it is recommended to pass pass it as args, okay. And then here, so whenever JVM finds the same syntax, public static void main string array and then args string array, then only it will come inside this method and it will execute system.out.println of print of welcome to Java first demo program, okay. This is one case. So let me copy and paste. Oh, I want to cover one more case where without having the main method, I just want to execute this program and let's see how it will become, how it will behave. Let me paste this one and then open new one. One second. I'm just pasting here this information. I'm just going here and then here, instead of public static void main method, right? I'm just using this curly braces. I'm using this symbol. So I will tell you, generally this is a single comments in the Java. When you use this two forward slashes, right, this code will not executed by the uh, JVM while executing the program. So let me go here. So instead of this syntax, I just want to write one more method, public. I just want to write int return type, and then it's a test method is there with without taking any arguments here. I just want to pass something like this, and I just want to write system dot out dot println. Difference between the print and println I will explain in the future videos. So for now, just assume there are two methods are there inside system dot out dot. Okay, well, this is test method, okay. You can write like this and then use Control S. It is saved for readability purpose. I just want to give some tips here. Yeah, this is good practice. So let's go and execute this program, whether it will execute or not. Java C first demo.java. See, it is saying like missing return statement, right? Okay, let me return something here. Read your return 0. This is fine. This should work now. Let me re-execute, recompile. It is compiled successfully. Let me rerun it. First demo dot. So you can see, right, while running the Java command, it starts the main Java JVM. The JVM always look for the main method syntax as public static void main. But in our class, whatever the code we have written, right, this code is commented. That's why it is now JVM is not able to find the main method. So it is not able to find the main method, and that's why it has given error in the console on the command prompt. So here thing is, so always JVM looks for the main method syntax as public static void main method. This is one case. One more case is there. So here, if I execute, right, let me rerun it. Compiled, it is compiled. Let me rerun it. So you can see welcome to Java first demo program. But here I have written two methods inside my first demo class. First demo class I have written main method, test method. But JVM is always executed only the main method code only. But now I want to execute this method as well along with main method. So simple thing is we need to write like let me make it static for now this one as well. I will execute why we have. I will explain what is this is a static method. I will explain what is static method, what is instance method in future. Okay. Here I will call like test. Okay. You can see. Let me save it. Control S and then go back here. Let me execute this. Let me compile this one. Java C first demo.java. It is compiled successfully. Let me run it. Java first demo. Click on enter. Welcome to Java first demo program. This is test method. So here you can see both are in case both are printed here, but here in the single line. So I just want to make it double line. So instead of print right, let me make it print ln here. Click on Control S. Now recompile. You can see this time we are expecting the response in two lines, not in the single line. Java first demo program, Java first demo. You can see it will come here. JVM came identified this program is having main method and it will execute at line number 6. It printed welcome to Java first demo program and then it will come to line number 7. Then we are calling main method, we are calling test method. It came to line number 13. It is printed this is test method and then it written 0. So here you can see welcome to Java first demo program. This is the test method. Yeah, this is the complete information about the public static void main method. So in future, then in the next video, I will try to cover the naming conventions, whatever the naming conventions are available as part of Java. All those I will cover in the next video. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more encouragement. Thank you so much, guys.